Welcome to Makers Clean. I'm Melissa Maker, a cleaning expert and founder of Makers Clean, and I'm going to show you how to clean a toilet quickly and efficiently.
I start by spraying the entire toilet down with an all-purpose cleaner. I'm using a DIY version here. I'm starting at the top of the tank, getting the flusher, the tank of the toilet, the top of the lid, the underside of the lid, the top of the seat, under the seat, the hinges, and all around the bowl. Now I'm spraying this liberally so that the product can sit and start to do its work. I don't want it to dry before I get to it. Next, I'm applying a toilet bowl cleaner to the inner rim of the toilet. I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes as well. Now I'm spraying an enzyme cleaner around the base of the toilet. This is to get rid of any urine buildup and to kill any odors. After I've let it sit for a couple of minutes so that the product can do its work, I'm using paper towel to retrace my steps with the all-purpose cleaner. Now, when I get to the area around the hinges, I notice that it requires some extra cleaning, so I spray a little bit more cleaner and I break out my cleaning toothbrush, the specific one for the toilet, just to get into those difficult and hard to reach areas. I'll finish it up by wiping with a paper towel, and then I grab a fresh paper towel to continue my way cleaning around the toilet. When a paper towel gets saturated, I just trade it out for a new one. I'm wearing disposable gloves here. I know some folks like to wear reusable gloves, some folks like to wear disposable gloves, so I like to share options with you. Now I'm using that cleaning toothbrush around these parts of the toilet as well, just because buildup can occur over time and every now and then it's good to get detailed. I'm wiping the baseboards and the lower part of the wall just to get rid of any excess buildup because again, over time, odors can build up. And I'm using paper towel to clean the floor area as well. Now I'm grabbing the toilet bowl brush and using short strokes to go back and forth around the inner side of the toilet bowl rim. I'm swirling my way around the bowl of the toilet and then going down the chute a couple of times. Following that, I'm flushing the toilet and just rinsing the brush as the toilet flushes. And then I'm going to let it drip dry by placing it under the toilet bowl seat. I'll leave this for a couple of hours.
That was quick and pretty straightforward, right? And now that brings me to this week's comment question, which is, when you finish using the toilet, do you leave the seat up or down? And the lid, is it open or closed? I always close the lid because now I'm very paranoid about toilet plume, but I would love to know your thoughts in the comments down below. If you haven't done so already, make sure that you subscribe to the Makers Clean channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.